that be sweet? Sweet escape, sweet escape. Ooh, ooh. Uy, nag-iibig ko yung mga sa'yo. Christina. Ooh, ooh. Ano tayo isa na lang. In town, I'm at my lowest boiling point. Come help me out. I need to get me out of this noise. It's bounce, counting the news to show me around. Instead of nodding around, I'm on this come around. So baby, time's getting a little crazy. I've been waiting for you lately, waiting for you to come save me. I can see your hand, not a way for you to do my things. Don't believe the way I have to take you with me. If I could escape, then create a place that's my own world. Let it be your favorite girl forever, perfectly together. And tell me, boy, that would that be sweet? If I could be sweet, I know I live with that girl, I can't wait for you to get her forever. We could make it better. And tell me, boy, that would that be sweet? Sweet escape, sweet escape. Ooh, I wanna get away to our sweet escape. I wanna get away.
Initial comments, okay? Of course, I expect that when we actually do the number now, the blending will be more refined, okay, ng boses. But, titignan ko muna on the pure performance level, aalisin ko muna yung element ng boses, ha? Yung level of choreography ninyo, hindi lang sabay-sabay. Iba-iba ang level of energy. Okay? May bigay na bigay, may level of hesitation. In other words, bilang isang grupo, kailangan ang energy level ninyo pantay. Okay? Sige, nangangapa pa kayo sa choreography. Okay, nagtitinginan kayo, you're giving instructions to each other, which is of course going to be disastrous in an actual performance. Okay? I'll put that aside first because that's a rehearsal. Pero ang nakaka-bother sa akin is yung movement ninyo, hindi pare-pareho ang energy level ninyo. You're not functioning as a unit. You're functioning as individuals pa rin. Kailangan mas yung koordinasyon. Okay na? At saka, tandaan ninyo, pag isang grupo kayo, yung konting galaw na iba, kahit sa kamay ng isa, will stick out sa grupo. Okay? So, kailangan yung disiplinado ang forma ninyo para visually isang grupo kayo. Gets ninyo? Kasi, kunyari, kumakanta yung isa, hindi pwedeng, magdagdag ng movement yung nasa likod. Dahil nagdi-distract sa kabuuan ng grupo. Okay? Are you ready to perform?
Dapat isang na lang.
Or you want one more ensayo?
Oo. Last, sir.
Okay, last ensayo. Because after you perform, that's when I lambast you.
Sana lang. Tapos. Ganyan na lang. Oo, yun na lang.
Okay, one more rehearsal.
Paano ba? Ganito na lang.
Why don't you do one pasada na movement lamang? Huwag muna kayong kumanta. Movement lamang, just mouth the lyrics para you don't worry about voice. Movement lang muna. Mr. Music, go!
Ganyan mo na sa ganyan na lang.
Detalye ng bawat movement ng grupo.
Tapos yung hand gesture. Tapos, wala pa. Yan na lang. Magpasa na siya. Mali yung oh.
Hindi na pumasok sa
Sir, wag daw munang kumanta, sir. Sige,
Huwag mong kantahin, igalaw nyo lang, i-mouth nyo lang, pero you go through the movement. So, bali, bumasok ka. Okay, in other words, i-mouth mo lang, tapos balik to position, i-focus nyo lamang yung movement nyo as a grupo. Okay?
Diba? Ganyan na